Sammy's camera. So we're here to get film for our old antique Nikon camera, which is in the back of my bag. Let's see, grab the camera, Sam.
Aha!
There it is. Let's see. Let's take a look.
Ha ha ha!
This is actually my grandfather's camera. He used to use it in the 70s or the 80s. It's a Nikon camera, and we're gonna get film for it. What kind of lens does it have on there?
50mm f1.4.
Now, because we only have one film camera, we're gonna have to choose between the right ISO film. So it's either gonna be 400 or 800. What do you think we should get?
600.
Okay, well, we'll try and see about 600. But we'll talk to the pros in there. Okay, so here we have some Peak Design stuff.
This is what you have.
This is like, I think, the first generation Peak Design bag. So far, it's my favorite bag.
Cool. This one looks cool.
Well, this one looks like the future right here. This is the one we got for the Thailand trip, right?
I accidentally cut these.
You accidentally cut those? No, you
I thought they were part of the tags, and I cut them. So now I have like a little Rick and Morty hanging.
Okay, so 129. Okay, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let me see.
Does it work?
Okay, and then manual focus. If you want to shoot in 4K, we just switch it right there. So now we're in 4K mode. Now it does crop a little, but it's okay because it's still nice and wide. Putting in that variable ND filter. On
Yeah,
this
man.
35.
Like a responsible cameraman, mister. I don't use ND filters.
I don't use ND filters. I
Why
use
not?
circular polarizer filters, CP filters for
Ugh.
dynamic range.
Look at the sun. You think you're gonna get any?
Yeah.
You're not gonna get that like
Let's
soft,
just-
shallow depth of field, man.
Let-
Whenever we finally gonna get there.
We'll get there in approximately 4 minutes.
You've been making the wrong turn every turn. We had a whole sequence of non-stop action, but we actually haven't moved them.
We're at the LAX airport. We kind of messed up. LAX airport. Now we're leaving the LAX. Bye, LAX. Goodbye.
Muchos van ahí a tomarse las fotos de las quinceañeras.
No, pues vamos allá ahorita a tomar una foto con el lente de 240 milímetros. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can take a picture of the city from here using the 240 millimeter RF lens. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take a picture of the downtown LA. As you can see the buildings over there. Nothing crazy.
Frank, I don't think this is the safest place to leave your trunk open.
Dude, they're like filming stuff over there.
Oh yeah, it's probably a music video. So there's the city right over there. I mean business. Frank, if I stand right here, am I in the front?
No, not at all.
You see that? That's the base of determination.
And so this is what video looks like. I'm recording video, 24 millimeter, all the way to 240 millimeter, and we're shooting in 1080. And yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so it seems like over there they're shooting a music video. I don't know, but they're taking pictures of like Humvees or something.
I guarantee you it's like a rap music video.
They're having fun, I'll tell you that. Cheers, my friend. Okay, so we're trying to figure out which way to go. I'm thinking that direction because these buildings look more familiar to me. We're walking, Sam, we're walking. Okay, so I'm looking at this building right here. Maybe we can get a really cool composition. I think I'm gonna be using the 24 millimeter lens because I'm using the 16 at 35 for vlogging for the video. Okay, so no, change of plan. I'm gonna be using the 28 to 70 with the circular polarizer filter. 28 millimeters doesn't seem wide enough. 24 would be better. 16 would be the best.
Look at that, how cool he is.
picture of this building in the center and use these two buildings on the sides to frame that one right there. I'm actually going to be using the 16-35 for this one. I let Sam borrow the 28-70 f2 lens. How's it feeling?
Feels good. It feels super heavy. It almost feels like my camera's gonna snap off at any moment.
And we have a circular polarizer filter in the front of it right there. Is this your first time shooting with that lens?
I believe so.
You think so, yeah? We have this that we can frame, look at that. Going in that direction somehow, you know? So on this street right here, right where I'm standing, all of this, they film a lot of car commercials here. Usually they block all of this off just to film car commercials. What's your composition, homie? Straight ahead, in between the buildings, pretty cool.
I am using the 24 to
240. Heck yeah, oh, I like that view over there with the sunset. .4.0 realm, and I think we're gonna get kicked out right now. Come on, let's go. Hey, hey! This girl started throwing a brick at the restaurant.
Maybe it seemed like she found out her boyfriend was cheating or something. F you, the Quan, or something.
Security was coming towards us.
He literally went like this. He's like, and then we just heard her throwing a brick.
Right now, we're at this wall. I'm gonna take a picture of Mr. Sam right here. Okay, Mr. Sam, so what'd you think?
I think it was good.
It was pretty cool.
Almost hit 10,000 steps. I am 100 steps away from finishing my 10,000 steps of the day.
So he came here for the steps, I came here for the photography, as you can see. We wasted a lot of time driving around
because somebody kept getting lost.
Yeah, somebody, my GPS partner.